spoke about how, checks and balances need to be in place. Last year, the Screenwriters Association of Hollywood had a full-fledged strike with a lot of big names who joined in. Do you see something like that happening here? Will that help? About ownership, I mean, this is not, we're not talking about an indie filmmaker's work being taken away. This is Anand El Rai. This is a legitimate big production house, and you guys are facing this. What do other young filmmakers, budding artists understand from what is happening?
It is truly terrifying, but I suppose it takes a first of its kind anywhere for us to be able to do something about the situation, right? I honestly think for the first week we were all in just shock that something like this could even be possible. I think the distinction that needs to be made against ownership and authorship is very, very key. This is very specific in the case of an archival IP that we're saying this, right? So yeah, this is problematic in that sense. But again, like, I think using this as the worst case scenario for now, and I do not want to be challenged on this, it will take for everybody to sort of like emerge from their safe spaces, from their offices, and speak about this, sort of convene as directors, producers, as heads of studios, as like creative professionals in the industry, and address it on a policy level, just as guilds, as advisory committees, as auditors,